welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching new video of property.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also.
As you can see on the screen, property location.
And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and ratings online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay.
Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of reviews is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities and images etc. Room category 2. Category 3. Category 4. Next, we talk about amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen. Guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in.
The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
Location of the property is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Different deals and offers are available online for this property along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Booking for more details, check link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can take us by comment. We will help you. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box.